Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I received these beautiful color results on my hair. So many had asked me to do a video on how I created an ombre look with the temporary color gel that I've been using the entire time on my channel. If you haven't watched my other videos, I'll make sure to link it in the description box and also in this video so you can check it out. So if you want to see how I got these results and what products I use specifically, keep on watching. We're done. We're done. There's something about when I have to redo my hair, it's just very exhausting. And I mean, in theory, doing this hair color is great, but if you have all white furniture, even if you don't, it's a struggle cleaning up, and it gets messy and all that. But these are how my juicy twists are looking, and they look like they're already set, like they're, you know, not going anywhere. And so it should be nice to see how it looks when I actually take it down. So as usual, I am, well, today's not Wednesday. Usually I do my hair on Wednesdays, but today is Thursday, so it will have all the rest of today to set, all of tomorrow, and then taking it down Saturday. So you guys will get to see the beautiful results. So I'll see you guys soon.